I just called the animal control place because the poor thing looks sad, like it's lost and it wants help, you know? So I'm hoping that they could take it and find out who it belongs to and bring it back to the person's house. Hopefully. I know. It's really harrowing. They're going to come and hopefully take you back to your house. Hopefully not take you to like a cage somewhere, but you might, want to take off and go back home if you know your way. But if not, somebody will probably come here and help you home. I think the rooster lives in the houses back there. That's what I think, because I would drive by there to get to this laundromat, and I would hear this rooster crowing over there. Or cawing, whatever that is. If it wasn't making those sad noises, I probably wouldn't have called because I figured it would find its way back. But it seems like it's definitely lost, though. I know. It's unbelievable, isn't it? You're lost, aren't you? I know. We got to find out where do you live? Where do you live? We got to find your home. You can't be eating stuff off a laundromat floor. I know, it's stressing. I called somebody, though. If I tried to pick this thing up, it would probably get very panicky. This rooster, not thing. If I picked up the Mr. Rooster up and tried to put it back over there by those properties, I think it definitely was a good call to call the animal people. They can probably look at records and see who owns roosters around here and then return it to the proper house. I know. I'm trying to get you help. I don't know what to say. I don't. I know. Got beautiful colors, that rooster. Where's your house, Mr. Rooster? Where's your house? It's like it's calling for somebody to come and get it. Like somebody that knows it. Doesn't it seem like that? Or it's like... you wonder if it's like calling to the people to come and find it. Where's your house? What does it say noise again? It's lost. That's what it is. It's lost. It must have got out of its pen and bottled over here, And now it's lost. I'm sad. Aww. People better come get your rooster or wherever you belongs to. Very distressed. It's definitely trying to find its owners. That's definitely a call, like a crying out for, for it to be rescued. Oh, that's so sad. I'm thinking that the animal control people will have a record of people that are allowed to own roosters around here, and then they can locate the house that way, Because what if I took it and put it out there by the houses? What if it's not even the right part of town? But I'm thinking that's where it came from. because there's no other houses around here. Well, hopefully I'm doing the right thing by calling them. Obviously, it can't find its way back. It's distressed, so it was good that I called somebody at least. Well, I'll keep you posted on what happens.